Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find how much storage we have in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this information? We need to go to Settings and we are looking for, here it is, Battery and Device Care. In here we have our storage. It's 128 gigabytes. All we are using almost 30 right now. We also have memory here, battery, etc. But we are interested in this option. Yes, allow. Here we have a few more options. As you can see, we can have our list what's using what storage, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.